Hey guys, Brian with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I want to discuss what extra benefits are you going to be getting besides that beautiful purchase of your new machine. Well, it comes with the full warranty, 100%, but it also comes with the trade-up program. With us, with that partnership, we do offer a trade-up program where any money or credit spent on your unit will be applied towards any upgrade in the future. But let's say, for example, you started out with a micro, and we have many clients in this scenario, and they want to upgrade, or they see a unit that they always wanted and considered. Well, you're not losing any value because we're going to apply that credit towards that upgrade, which is a phenomenal option to have. And we have many people who've upgraded all the way from our micro all the way up to our top line units and even our automated systems. And you're not losing any value with us because here at Vapor Honing Technologies, we want to put you in a position where you're profiting. That's our main goal and objective. But we have a full team that's dedicated, listening, and ready to answer at any given moment at 828-202-5563. Guys, it's more than just a machine that you're getting at Vapor Honing Technologies. We're a family.